Did you know that several big brands of dry shampoo have been recalled due to a cancer-causing toxin? In October, the FDA announced that these products have potentially elevated levels of benzene. The recall was issued after an internal investigation identified the propellant in the aerosol cans as the source of contamination. The recall includes aerosol dry shampoos from Dove, Nexxus, Suave, Tresemme, Rockaholic, and Bedhead. Benzene is a cancer-causing chemical that's damaging through long-term exposure, whether that be through skin contact, orally, or inhalation. This chemical is commonly found in household products and often found in other recalled items like aerosol sunscreen and deodorant. Since benzene is found in aerosol products that are generally used indoors, the cause for concern heightens. Spraying this chemical indoors will cause it to linger longer and be inhaled for prolonged periods of time. Our founder and CEO, Anthony Morrocco, has observed the devastating psychological effects of chemical-filled products like these for over 50 years. Seeing effects like hair thinning, hair loss, and scalp damage, he has devoted this time to global research to create pure, zero-toxin hair care. He developed his knowledge and experience into a holistic method to address these problems. If you need a replacement dry shampoo, try Morocco Method's Volcanic Ash Dry Shampoo. With ingredients like bentonite clay, aloe vera, and prickly pear powder, it gently absorbs excess oils and impurities while still protecting your scalp's natural oils. It also delivers essential vitamins and antioxidants to seal in moisture, fight breakouts, and balance pH levels to keep your hair shiny and healthy. We also use an easy application bottle to sprinkle it evenly through your hair and scalp. We don't use aerosol cans, so together we can avoid the possible toxins that the big companies don't care to avoid. Let's stick together and educate each other on these risks. Morocco Method is proud to be a trusted, zero-toxin, all-natural brand. Let's keep each other safe.